What's up, knuckleheads? Go to the mailbox and grab a package. Checked my email today, saw that I had a package delivered. Nothing better than seeing that email saying that your order status is delivered. So just went and grabbed that. Before we get started, I need to go grab a drink. Cheers. Gin and ginger. So what we have today is actually something pretty exciting for me. It is a new razor, a modern razor. It's actually a modern single edge razor. I don't own any modern single edge razors. I think I've got one injector. I've got a few injectors, but I used one of them like once or twice. I like the shave it gave, but I don't know why I stopped using it. But so what we have here, it's a package from Supply. So let's get into it. While I'm opening it, Supply actually had one of the most, if you don't know what Supply is, check out their getsupply.com is their website. They actually had one of the most successful Kickstarters ever. That's how they got started. I think they 245,000 or 250,000 in 45 days or something. That's how much they raised. Pretty awesome. And it's cool. I think a few razors have done that now. I think there's been Supply. There was the Rockwell did that as well. That used the Kickstarter, which is an awesome idea. Like why? Like it's hard for a new startup company to have the money, like the funds to start a new razor. So doing that, and we all love razors. And when we see a new thing that comes out there, like I know the Model T from Rockwell, like that, people throw money at it. They want to see it. Same thing happened with Supply. So Patrick and his partner Jennifer, they went all in on this. And read their story on their website. Pretty awesome story. Great people out of Texas. So let's open this up. See what we have. Bam. Here's the box. Let's get some cards here. Thanks, Scott, so much. Really hope you enjoy the razor from Patrick. Cool little postcard there. And the welcome to Supply. I won't read the whole thing to you, but nice message from Patrick and Jennifer. Bam. So let's get into this box. Let's see what we got here. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bam. This is the matte finish SE version 2.0. I think the weight they said on the website is 111 grams. And alrighty, I'm gonna put this out there. The packaging is awesome on this. I think they're about $80 for the razor. So the fact that it comes like nicely wrapped in a nice box, it's pretty awesome. There's some really high-end razors that come in not very good packaging, so I think we all like good packaging. It's you eat with your eyes first. Same with shaving. When you see something with your eyes that looks cool, you're more like drawn to it. But this boxing kind of reminds me of like a Apple or an iPhone kind of thing, kind of style. Really cool. Has all the information on the back here. The custom shave settings. Solid stainless steel. Let's open it up. So this is a single edge custom. Oh. So as you can see, it comes in this package, really nice packaging, and it's solid in there like that. That ain't coming out. Let's take that out of there. Ooh. Yeah, I'm super impressed by the 111 grams. It's really nice, like really nice. It's not too heavy where you're like, ooh, I'm gonna have a Popeye forearms by the end, but really nice. Looks solidly made too, and it comes with the medium aggression plate here. There's also a mild and an aggressive plate as well, so depending on what you want and stuff like that, it just unscrews. Boom. You can put it back on there. And the screws back on. And this is a modern injector style single edge razor too. So it doesn't take those big blades like the big square ones. It takes like the injector style. So very cool. there's more in the box. I better open that up and see what that is. So just like trouble settings and changing the blade and stuff like that. Nice instructions. It's always cool to have these things just in case. It is new to me, so I've never used really an injector style. You use an injector twice. So it's all new to me, like changing the blade and stuff like that. I don't really have much experience, so let's see here. So here's a little box here. Oh, that's right. These are the different setting plates. I was wondering what these were. Boom. There we go. So they have these dots. I believe that tells you which one is which aggressiveness it is. I think I actually saw, yeah. So on here it actually shows you sensitive, classic, and aggressive. So it starts it off with the classic, which makes sense. A lot of guys want like if you're gonna buy something without getting the adjustable settings, you probably want to go middle of the road, unless you know if you have really sensitive skin, you want to go with the mild or vice versa. So there we go. We got the other plate here. So let's see here. Very cool. Let's open this up here. Now this is probably the blades. There we go. So there's the blade, the injector itself. So very cool. Great. The packaging on this is awesome. Like everything fits back into the box really nice. So yeah, this is great. I'll do some glamour shots after to add to it. But yeah, these are just fantastic. There's the other blade here, or blade, different insert plate, not blade. It's a plate. So we have two of those. Put those back in the box there. As you can see here, they fit nice and snug in there. Like they're not going to fall out either. So that's well done. Really well done on the packaging. Like absolutely awesome packaging, especially for the price point, under $100. And you get stainless steel razor, the plates. The razor itself the build quality feels fantastic. I would load a blade in, but I don't want to embarrass myself because I don't really know how to do it yet, so I'm going to read up on that. And I'll come back and I'll do a shave with this in the next, actually I'm going to shave with it tomorrow, but I'll do a video review on it, obviously, posting on Instagram, _Canuck_shaver. So follow me there, give my early initial thoughts on it, but right out of the box, I gotta say, this is very cool looking, very modern, but not like uber modern where it looks kind of funky. It's like modern utilitarian. Is that what the word I'm looking for? Yeah, just really cool, like great design, like pretty simple design, which I think is nice sometimes. You can go either way. Sometimes you like that really cool, unique look, and sometimes you just want like the sleek design. This is definitely nailed. The sleek, cool design. Really looking forward to using this. Thank you, Patrick, for doing this. As I said, I actually joined the affiliate program with Supply, so if I'm going to be on their affiliate program there on Share Sale, I better start using their razor. So yeah, check that out. I'll have a link below to the razors and stuff like that. Again, super cool. Love this unboxing. Question for you guys though before I go. What are you guys looking forward to this year? What shave products kind of piqued your interest this year? Is there certain soaps? I know L&L just put out their new La Quatrième Ville and Gradually Square. I know a lot of people are looking forward to those, but what else are you guys looking forward to? Is there any new razors that are getting released this year? Any new soaps? Any other products there? I know I got a few other things coming in the mail, but this absolutely fantastic. Great job on the packaging and stuff. Like this is fantastic. For the price, I think out of the box right now, I'm super, super, super impressed. If you can't tell, cannot wait to use this. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Cheers and have a great night.